Hello! In front of me I have Apple Watch SE 2nd generation, and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number and the IMEI number on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing crown button or the side button, like this. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called General and tap on it. And then find the option called About and then select it. And here, scroll down and find the serial number. Here we have it, serial number. And if you want to find the IMEI number, scroll even more down and find the IMEI number, right here. And once you're done, you can press the crown button a couple of times to go back to watch face. You can also check it on the phone app. So let's bring the iPhone that is paired with our watch right here. Zoom out the screen, the camera, I mean. Okay, let's open the watch app on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. In the app, tap on General, tap on About, and here we have the serial number and the IMEI number listed. And that's how you check the serial number and the IMEI number on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.